Hello guys, today we are going to show you how to test fuse on your car to figure out whether it is working or not. We have a lot of fuses. Every component on the car have its own fuse, and sometimes it may trigger out or brown, but you need to test them whether they are good or not. That will require you to change it. So I'm here today to check it and test it with a multimeter so that we all will know how to test it. Okay, so I have my multimeter here, and this is the fuse. Okay, this is the fuse box. So first of all, you have to turn the multimeter to resistant. And one thing about this fuse, that if I check it, so let me check the resistant whether it's working or not. Okay, this is the resistant. Once I check the resistant, it has to beep. So I'm going to test this fuse one by one and figure out if it is working, it will beep. If it is not working, it will beep. So this is how it is. So let's start. First of all, I'll test it from here. You see it is working. It is working. This is also working. This is also working. If it is not working, it will not beep. That means the fuse is not good. You have to replace it. So let me check all of them one by one. It is also working. Okay. This is also working. It's also working. So always the negative terminal will be on the other side and the positive terminal will be on the front side, depending on how the fuse is located. But if you check it and they didn't beep, you have to change the terminals, then you are good to go. So this is also working. This is also working. I'll check all of them one by one so that you know. This is also terminals. Let's see. So this is also working. All of them are working indeed, and this is how we do it. So testing a fuse box is easy with a multimeter, and this is how it is. Subscribe to Eric Auto Center. Stay updated, share our videos to many people, and put your comment below in the comment section. Make sure you subscribe. This is the only automotive channel that allow me guarantee you motor vehicle experience, and this is what we are doing. If you want me to do another video for any car review or any mechanical tips, put in the comment section and stay updated. I'll meet you once again coming week for another undiluted video content. Subscribe and share to many people. Bye bye.